Where can I find the B2B sales on Amazon Seller Central? This is a question that I got from one of our clients. And guess what? Amazon have a dashboard for that. So this is a short video on how you can go there and what all information you can get. So let's jump back to the screen. You can see from here, once you have logged into your Seller Central, you have to go to B2B. And from here, you can click on B2B Central. So that will take you to this dashboard. And the first is the sales snapshot. So here you can sort it by business, non-business, or both of them. You can see from here. And the sales is either by units or by sales. And you can select a time frame, or you can have a custom as well, custom time frame. So that will show you the full details over here. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see B2B performance by customer segment. So this will give you a little bit more insight, okay, what all segments are buying from you. So basically, you can, if the sales are really good, then you have to focus more on that segment. Maybe there's something else that they need. So you can see the commercials are here. You got some sales. There is not enough data, but this is a test account. You can change from here industry to region as well. So you can switch it back to both these options. And here it will show you the products as well. So these are the dashboard that you have for the moment. And there are other functions as well. I will have a different video for all this. Thanks a lot for watching.